Well, friends, I want to talk to you about how to open house. Fall open house is coming up, and we do these events every 6 months. They started out as basically just a patient appreciation event, and that tradition has really grown over time, and now it has really become just the mainstay of what we do here at Premier Aesthetics, to say to our patients, thank you for being loyal patients, thank you for being a part of what we do here, and let us give you the very best deals that we can. And we welcome new patients as well. So a lot of people ask me, how do you get involved with open house? One of the most important things you can do during open house time is to book a complimentary private consultation. This one-on-one time with us really tells us what's going on with you, what are your concerns, and we can really tailor a very customized plan for exactly what you need, and we can get that all written out for you so that it's super easy when you go to purchase. You know exactly what you're getting and what your discounts are. So please come in for a consultation before or during the open house day, and you can book those online. Not only is open house kind of now this very long event with all of these videos and things that we're launching out to the public, but it's a great big party, and it's our favorite party of the year. So we love it when our patients come and then bring their friends. There's always food and drink, and it's amazing. There's always experiences with skincare and seeing demos and really learning about the latest and greatest technology. Our vendor partners are also here that you can visit with. So it's just a really fun, relaxed time to get the vibe of everything we offer here at Premier. And one of the favorite things about actually attending the open house party is that we give lots of fantastic giveaways. So if you're not here, you don't get to register to win all of the goodies. And we give away some pretty fabulous stuff. So guys, last thing, don't forget to RSVP for open house so we keep you in the loop of every little thing that we're doing leading up to the open house. And please come join us on October 19th.